Guys, it's my first time trying oats. Today we're gonna be experimenting with 3 Japanese popular recipes using oats. All turn out to be pretty tasty and all vegan. I'm assuming this is gonna be your new breakfast staple. At least it is for my family. We're gonna do the taste test with the honest feedback at the end of this video, so stay tuned. The first one is grilled oats bowl, also known as yaki onigiri in Japanese. I have rolled oats. We are very skeptical about how it turned out to be. We need about 40 grams of oats, equivalent to about 1/3 cup. Then in goes 6 tablespoons of water. Mix them to combine. I placed plastic wrap to prevent oats from sticking at the bottom when you make a triangle shape later. ご飯みたいになってきた。すごい。Microwave them 600 watt for about 1.5 minutes uncovered. Mix it again. It is so exciting to see these oats transformed into totally different texture. It is very thick and sticky now. Now to season the yaki onigiri, we have mirin, soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, and comstock powder. In goes half teaspoon of mirin, half teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, half teaspoon of comstock powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I went a little too far, but never mind. Give it a good mix. As it cools down, it becomes a lot more sticky, almost like a mochi, and it's getting hard to mix, so you want to do it as quickly as possible. Once everything gets combined, close the wrap and make a triangle shape. Press it tightly so that it won't crumble when we sear it on the pan. This yaki onigiri is the least nutritious recipe out of 3 recipes, but the taste is promising. To the pan on mid-heat, place yaki onigiri, then just sear it until you have a nice grill mark on the bottom side. You don't need the oil. If you have a toaster oven, feel free to use that too. Flip and do another side. Once you see the toasty mark on both sides, discard and serve it on the plate. Again, we're gonna do the taste test at the end. Next, pickle plum sesame onigiri. Prep oats just like we did earlier. Mix with the water, then pop them into the microwave. I'm going to use this pickle plum known as umeboshi in Japanese. Remove the seed and puree them by chopping with a knife. Umeboshi is high in minerals like iron and calcium. When I feel tired, I eat umeboshi to recover from the fatigue. Just remember to eat in a moderation since its sodium content is really high. I have a dressing recipe using umeboshi, so let me leave the link for you in the description box below. Transfer pureed umeboshi to the bowl. Then in goes half teaspoon of olive oil. Soy sauce, I added about half teaspoon of it, but depending on the pickle plum you opt for, you want to add more or less to your liking. Finally, chop the spring onion and add into the bowl. Spring onion goes really well with the pickle plum, so please be generous on that. Other than spring onion, fresh herbs like Italian parsley will be great too. Lastly, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds, then mix. What I like about onigiri is that you can always play around with it. You can pretty much add anything to make it fun, vibrant, and flavorful. I have a couple onigiri recipes you might want to try, so let me leave the link for you in the description box below. Now the process will be the usual suspect. Close it up and make a triangle shape. Serve it on the plate next to the yaki onigiri. The last one is comstock porridge, which is perfect for a chilly morning or when you feel like catching the cold. In the bowl, place kombu. Kombu is gonna expand as it soaks up the water, so I keep it about 2-inch square for 1 serving. In the same bowl, I add sliced dried shiitake mushrooms. This sliced one is so handy when you are in a pinch since you can cut down the soaking time. But if you're opting for a whole mushroom, just soak them longer according to the package instruction. Pour 1.5 cup of water, then let it sit for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's chop some leek. So some of you guys told me it's not actually a leek. What do you guys call this vegetable? Let me know in the comment section below. If you don't have one on hand, just swap for onion or spring onion. After 30 minutes, kombu should be hydrated and become slimy like this. Discard the kombu and season with a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil. I'm introducing the recipe using this used kombu in another video, so again please find the link in the description box below. Once it comes to a boil, lower the heat to low and add leek and 40 grams of oats. Keep the gentle boil. Cook it all for another 4 to 5 minutes or until you reach the desired thickness. In this video, I was thinking of trying overnight oats, but that's no fun to show you guys on this channel, so I decided to experiment with something Japanesey. If you have any other recipe recommendation using oats, let me know in the comment section below. At this point, turn off the heat and drizzle 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Have a taste and add more salt or soy sauce if it's needed. Ladle it into your bowl and garnish some nori seaweed by tearing off by hand. Garnish some chopped spring onion if you want, and ready to be enjoyed. It reminds me of the old days when I caught the cold and my mom made me some rice porridge. This is exactly what it is, but with the wholesome option. It's time for a taste test.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Ah, 美味しい。あ、すごい。美味しい。
めっちゃうまい。
これ朝ごはんに普通に出てきたらどうする？
大好き。
普通に食べれる？
絶対食べれる。うま
もう全部食べちゃった。美味しい。これ好きだよ多分。音だけね。美味しい？固まっちゃった。ダメ？うまい？イエーイ、うまい。一言食べよう。いい？いくよ。We just finished filming and my kids went to the park with my husband and we all presently surprised how good that was. If you want to pick one from today's recipe, I recommend trying yaki onigiri, the one with the grilled rice ball. That was so good. And if you have any other recommendation using oats, let me know in the comment section below because I have a lot of oats left in the fridge. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye bye. またね。
Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument. So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah.